Hey everyone, welcome back to Mango School channel. Today we're diving deep into a hot topic in the automotive world, Ashouse's car glass oil film remover. Is it a scam or a legitimate product that just might save your day? You've heard the buzz surrounding the product, with mixed reviews flooding in from Amazon customers. Some rave about its effectiveness, while others feel utterly scammed. Well, today we're peeling back the layers and uncovering the truth behind this controversial cleaner. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about the claims made by Ashouse's. According to their website, this cleaner is supposed to remove oil films, dirt, and grime from your car's glass, leaving a streak-free finish that enhances visibility and safety while driving. Sounds fantastic, right? They even highlight that it's easy to use, just spray, wipe, and go. But here's where things start to get interesting. I took to Amazon to see what actual customers had to say. And let me tell you, the reviews were all over the map. Let's take a closer look. Some customers praised the product for its ability to quickly cut through built-up haze. Great news for anyone who's driven with a foggy windshield. However, on the flip side, I found a shocking number of unhappy customers. Many claimed it didn't work as advertised and failed to provide any visible advantage. I expected miracles but ended up disappointed. It didn't remove the oil film at all. Wow, that's a strong statement. So what gives? Are we dealing with misleading marketing, or is it just an ineffective product? To get to the bottom of this, I decided to put Ashouse's to the test myself. I've got a severely stained windshield here, loaded with years of dirt and oil film. I'm going to spray this cleaner on the front side and see if we get any difference. Remember, I'm following the instructions to the letter. Let's find out if this product can stand up to the challenge. Tried the product at a car wash to see if it actually works despite missing some of the fluid. Doesn't seem to work. It's going to rain today, so I suppose I'll see if the anti-fog claims are true. So, what's the final verdict? Is Ashouse's cleaner a scam? Not exactly. It does work to some level, but perhaps not at the level many customers hoped for. If you're looking for something to work wonders on a heavily soiled surface, you might want to explore other options out there. Have you tried Ashouse's cleaner? I want to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below and let's keep this conversation going. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest reviews and tips to keep your vehicle in top shape. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe.